Dustin picking up some shell. There's Dana still digging. I love the beach. Pretty beach. Sanibel. Sand is really soft. It's pretty. Tides is coming in.
I found a little hermit crab.
Oh, can I see Dana? Can I see the hermit crab?
Little hermit crab.
Oh, is it in there?
Where is it?
Yeah, look.
It's in the shell.
You see it?
Little teeny weeny.
I don't see
Do
it.
you see it moving? No, wait,
yeah,
don't turn it over.
Turn
It's...
it over. He'll come out if you turn him over.
Oh, he's just so little.
Come out if you turn him over. You won't hurt him. Just turn him over a little bit. Let me see him.
He's right there.
I know, but I can't see him.
Don't.
Oh, he's so cute. He's just a little guy.
Yeah, I
You
found him on the ground.
Let him be free. Hey, is this the shell you had earlier?
Look at that. It's still alive.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, right now.
Yeah, look at show to Dustin.
That's cool.
And we also found the clams that's still alive, so we need to put it back. Maybe that one also, the green one, Dana. Is that one also alive?
It's not a big one.
Oh, it's also alive, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, that was cool. So far I got all this one. So the inns of Sanibel, that's where we're staying. So this is all the stuff I have so far. This out here, they made a sand sculpture over here. That's cute. Huh? What is it?
Of course.
Yeah. Look at that. It's a nice sculpture.
Yeah, someone really did.
That's pretty. Okay, so we're here at Dante's. They have a, what kind of oven thing?
They have a
Pizza?
coal-fired oven
Coal-fired
for their
oven.
pizza and evidently for all their ribs and stuff like that. And so this is what our meal is looking like. We got a couple pizzas. Faye got some ribs.
And I got the
Dustin
ribs.
got linguine, clam linguine.
French fries. Me and Dana shared with this one. Dustin, I shared the ribs with that.
So far it's really good.
Really good. Dig in.